This is our 2019 Audi Q8 Quattro. This is the Premium Plus edition. Fully serviced. This is black on black. Has 33,000 miles. 21-inch rims. Comes with the Premium Plus. Red brake calipers from Audi. And this is extremely aggressive looking. I love the rear as it shows a massive light bar across the back at night. This also comes with the towing package. As I mentioned, it is the Quattro, so all-wheel drive. Extremely spacious on the inside, ambient lighting throughout, Bowers & Wilkins sound system. Now the Q8 drives great. It is a amazing crossover SUV to drive. It is on the bigger side, but doesn't feel so big when you're parking or driving into tight spaces. I absolutely love the view change on this. This is going to be the same view change in a lot of the higher end Audi, the R8, the RS7s, the S7s, S8, 0 to 60 in the Audi Q8.
I hope you enjoyed a nighttime drive and a full walk around review of our Audi Q8.